Today we're going to start looking at the alternative spellings of the E sound. Let's start though by revisiting how we can have alternative spellings of the I sound. This video is revisiting the alternative pronunciation of the I. Let's practice our short vowels. A, I, O, A. And let's practice our long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Today we're going to sort these letters to short I, saying I, and the long I, saying I. Let's read this word, this, this. That's the short I. Is it the short I or the long I? Short I. Let's look at the next word, child, child. Has that got the short or the long sound in it? Child. That's right, it's the long I. Slip. Can you hear the short I saying I or the long I? Slip. That's right, it's the short I sound. What sound is the I making in this word? Chip. Ch-ip. Is it the short or the long sound? That's right, it's the short sound. Behind. 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 Is it making a short or a long sound? A long I. Flip. Flip. Is the I making the short or the long sound? That's right, it's making the short. Flip. Flip. Kind. We segment that. Kind. It's making the long I sound. Last one here. Tin. 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 Is it making the short or the long I sound? That's right, it's making the short sound. Find. Find. Is it making the short or a long I sound? Find. It's making a long I sound. Today we're looking at the E spelling and all the different ways that we can make it. These are the common ways that we can write E in a word. It can be represented with EE, EY, EA, E on its own, Y on its own, or the split digraph E. Today we're going to start by sorting the letter E as it's written in three ways, either EY, EA, or EE. Here's the word money. How is the E sound represented in money? It's spelt with the EY. Here's the word feet, and the E is written with a double E. Here's the word bleat. Can you hear the sheep bleat? And it's got the EA is making the E sound. Here's the word team, which has the EA sound. Here's the word street that has the double E making the E sound. And so does the word week. We've got another version of week. Here's the word donkey, which ends with the EY. And finally, the dream, the E sound is being made by the EA. We have to start recognizing which word looks right. If I saw the word money with an EE at the end, that wouldn't look right. In fact, if we hear an E sound at the end of the word, it very often is represented by the EY. I'd like you to read these sentences. Thumbs up or thumbs down, do you agree with that sentence? Let's read it together. A donkey runs down the street on 4 feet. Let's read it again. A donkey runs down the street on 4 feet. Well, does a donkey run down the street with 4 feet? Yes, a donkey has 4 feet, so that does make sense. Let's read this sentence. What do you think? Does it make sense? If the team is cheap, you can get them with money. Well, I suppose you can buy something if it's cheap with money, can't you? Let's read it one more time. If the team is cheap, you can get them with money. Lots of different E sounds being represented there. Team, cheap, money. Okay, so it's your turn to have a go now. Enjoy your activity.